Hi guys, so today I'm gonna make a vlog and I'm gonna build up Brusali from Ikea. Okay, so let's start with a beer. We're gonna try to mount this for the shows of my dear friends, because gears never had enough space for shows. Chin chin. I really like red beer. Okay, so first of all, we go to Ikea and we need some tools like screwdrivers, a set of screwdrivers from iFixit, very good. And let's start following the instructions. So, Opozolino. Where is the Russian one? Gospody Rosy. Okay. So we need two screwdrivers, one mix and one straight. Let's open this accessory box, and first of all, gloves. Okay, so in the first box we have the foots, the two foots. This is plastic, by the way, and all the screw that we need. Hold here. So, I'm gonna try to not lose them. Because everything is count and there is no more, no one less, no one plus. One plus. Okay. Here. It's gonna mess all busted the beginning. Check if you have everything. 1, 2, 3. Oh. These are heavy, by the way. 6, 6, 6, 5, 3, 3, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So, take that away. Opening the second box, there is the mechanisms for open. And okay, let's start from number one. Number one. it will never be end. To do a video of an unboxing and installation guide of the Philips Hue, the I buy at the Black Friday, but time is a bad person. Lots of things to do at work. This is all the time that I have this week. And I'm really sorry because I really like the Hue. I really want to talk about it, but I can't because I have a life. And life is the most important thing that you have. So they're not. This is not the position I suppose they are going. So like here and all the furniture's up, but it's this way. I never see a fit on this way. Okay, by the way. But this is bad. Not on this way, on this way. So you have these curves on the inside. It's worthless. Why make these curves if you don't see them? Okay, so this seems like something very crazy because all that mechanism is relying on on a screw. It is here. Where is the flash? Okay, you can see it. That screw and that plastic rounded circle are the base of the rotating mechanism. And also that screw take all the panel fixed. So this is, in my opinion, the weakest point. Okay guys, so we finally finished it. You have to, but where are the holes? You can see them. Okay, you have to fix on the wall like with these holes, 1, 2, and the others 2 are not here but on the other. The far here, yeah, okay. And just like this. And if you put the divisor inside, you have to fix it, and then the open and nothing more. By the way, this Brusali can stand up on his way because you can see the feet are only on one side and the other is full relying on the wall and on these holes here. It's okay, we've done it. You ever buy something from Ikea? What's your experience? In my opinion, it's good for one. The first one is the price. It's cheaper. Okay, you have cheap quality. But if you want something cheap, quickly to mount, DIY, and you have not too much money to spend, is good. It's very good. And the second part is the one I like it, is the DIY part. You have to like DIY part. You have to build it by yourself. You have to. It's funny, by the way. It's take the time to understand how it works, but it's fine. It's good. It's another way to spend like 1 or 2 hours of your life. But the good part is that you can understand better how it works and where is the weakest point. Like on this one, the opening system is based on one screw and one plastic rounded. So it's very weak, but if you mount it, you know it, and you know how to use it. If you don't mount it, you don't know how it works, and you use it like, yeah, it's industrial. It's not like this. So this is I think the funnest part. That's all. I have one Kallax to mount. I think the next week in the studio, in my gaming room, and I place it on my left on the desk of the table, and the idea is to store on the bottom all the cables and the stuff that I have around the house, and to place a table, and it can be a good point for the next video, a good point of view for next videos. I have all the PC on the back, and it's good also for make unboxing, good view for the app. See you next time, guys. Thank you a lot for the comments on the latest video. Thank you for the subscribes, and happy holiday to all of you, and drink a beer. Go out, don't stay all the day on YouTube and on your PC or your TV. Go out and live your life, because one day is one day, and if you don't do anything, it's a day lost. Day after day make year, and losing years is not good. Don't have regret.